In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello's calendar view, a feature that's incredibly useful for managing tasks and deadlines all in one convenient place. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just starting out, learning to navigate this view can transform how you organize and track your projects. First, let's dive right in by heading over to Trello. Open up your web browser or your Trello app, depending on what you prefer, and navigate to the Trello website or open the app. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Once you're on the login screen, select your preferred method of logging in. If you've already linked your account to Google, Slack, or another service, feel free to use that option to sign in quickly. Otherwise, you can type in your standard username and password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open the Trello board that you want to view in calendar format. Locate the board from your dashboard or use the search bar if you have several boards and it's not immediately visible. Once you're in the board, you want to focus on take a look around and make sure it's the correct one where you're tracking the tasks and due dates you wish to see in calendar form. At this point, redirect your attention to the top left corner of your Trello board. Here, you should see the view switcher. It might appear as an icon with a drop-down or a button depending on the version you are using. This view switcher is your gateway to accessing different perspectives for managing your board, so it's a handy tool to become familiar with. Go ahead and click on the view switcher. Among the various options it displays, look for the one labeled Calendar. Click on it, and voila, your board will transform to show you the calendar view. This display organizes your cards with due dates neatly in a monthly calendar format. It allows you to see all your upcoming deadlines and tasks at a glance, making it easier to prioritize and plan your workload efficiently. Remember, using Trello's calendar view can be a game changer for personal and collaborative projects. It not only assists in visualizing timelines, but also helps prevent milestones from slipping through the cracks. By integrating a calendar view into your Trello workflow, you can enhance both your productivity and organization skills. Enjoy exploring and utilizing this feature to its fullest as you manage your projects and stay ahead of your tasks. That wraps up our guide on using Trello's calendar view. Happy planning!